And welcome back. Time for this week's Capital Report with Pat McGuigan of CapitalBeatOK.com. Pat, you had a story on high per-person costs in the federal health care insurance exchange here in Oklahoma. Summarize that.
Yeah, it's a very interesting issue. It's cost us $1,095 per enrollee in the Oklahoma federal health care exchange created under the Affordable Care Act, or ObamaCare as people call it. We're actually not the most expensive. We fall somewhere in the middle of the 36 states that have a federal system within the state. We fall in the middle of the cost, and then the remainder of the states, including the District of Columbia, created their own system. Now, this comes in the wake of, and by the way, it's $922 is the average cost nationwide of all 50 plus DCs. Okay. So you see why that $1,095, almost $1,100, is such a significant figure. Now, John Doak, the state insurance commissioner, of course, has been a longtime critic of the ACA or Obamacare, and he issued a press release about this, expressing deep frustration over not only the interference in the marketplace, but the high costs. And I want to make it clear, I'm talking about the costs of setting up the exchange. That's it. Not provision of health care. It's the cost of setting the system up. This is all based on the work of the former Commissioner of Insurance of Missouri, a man named Jay Angoff. So he did this national study, found that in Oklahoma it's a little over $75 million costs for 69,220 enrollees. The original projection was 256,000. What does it mean? Higher than anticipated per person costs and lower participation in the marketplace, all adding up to everything's going to cost more. $7.4 billion nationwide cost to set up the system.
Right. All right. Now, you recently interviewed Bob Funk Sr., the founder, CEO of Express Employment Professionals, and he had some interesting things to say about education in Oklahoma and in the nation. What do you say?
He's an education reformer, and he's pressing particularly not to undo higher ed by any means, but to bolster the ranks of career tech education because of what he says the marketplace is telling us. Nationwide, he pointed out there's 110,000 slots to be filled in the technical arena, only 40,000 graduates coming out in a cycle. He thinks that's a problem. He thinks the best social program is a good job, where you then wind up paying your taxes and can seek benefits. Very specific example, need for 7,000 welders, including several hundred in Oklahoma, but far fewer than that are qualified and ready to take those jobs. That's what Funk is campaigning on right now. It was a great interview. In fact, two-parter you can catch on the website.
All right, you can read more about these and other topics at CapitalBeatOK.com. For Pat McGuigan, I'm Alex Cameron. Have a good day.